Hi everyone, I am Arun, and in this video I am going to tell you about the essential concepts that you need to learn before going or before learning the React framework of JavaScript. JavaScript. To go to that level, we need to have the prerequisite or essential concepts to be learned of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So these are the basic things that we need to learn to go to React framework. And let us let us know why we are going to the React framework, because it is a strong JavaScript library which has a solid foundation, some key web development concepts. Understanding these concepts will make us React learning experience smoother and more enjoyable. So now there are three things that we need to learn. One is HTML, stands for hypertext markup language, and cascading style sheets, and JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language. So let us see one by one what are the concepts under all these three categories to be learned by an individual before going for a React framework. The first thing is HTML, and next is CSS, and next is JavaScript. In HTML, we have a lot many things to be learned, but basic in the traditional days, HTML and CSS was used to design and web page, wherein nowadays HTML, CSS both are combined and used in JavaScript, and they are used to create a web page. And coming to the concepts in HTML, first and foremost thing that need to be learned is the HTML structure, wherein what are all the tags that are used in a HTML structure like head, title, body, and HTML main tag, and what are the meta tags that it contains, a title tag, and all these things need to be learned in HTML structure. And next is elements and tags. Like there are certain elements of certain tags, and we also need to know about the opening and the closing tags in HTML. Then attributes of a tag like source, height, width of some tags. These things need to be learned, and the text formatting like headings, paragraphs, bold, italic, underlining, and these all things which are basic required and need to be learned. And in the HTML, we also need to learn about creating links with the anchor tag and navigation, all those things, and inserting the images and media. And we also need to learn about forms to collect an user input, and table to have data. And in addition to that, to make our code look better, we also need to learn about comments. And next thing is the cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheet basically helps in designing the web page. These are also integrated in React framework, wherein app.css file is also there, wherein it gives all the styles to the text or whatever we have been implementing in the web page. We need to learn about basic properties like color, a box model, text, layout, to enhance the quality of the web page. And then we also have selectors in HTML, elements, tag, class, ID, and attributes, and a flex box layout, like to have a box layout and grid layout. These are all the basic concepts that we need to learn in cascading style sheet. Coming to the JavaScript, the I have not mentioned anything here. I have given a YouTube link wherein you will have the basic implementation of JavaScript is shown in this video by Programming with Mosh is a YouTube channel name, and he has explained. It is somewhere 48 minutes 17-second video, and he has explained clearly what are all the basic concept or beginner level concept that need to be learned. Like we need to learn basic things of JavaScript, wherein we do not have to go to the deep and there are I think seven or six seven basic concept that every web developer should know, that is scope of some variables and all, and IIFA, that is immediate invoked function expression, hoisting, closures, callbacks, promises, synchronizers, and await for backend. And all these things must be known by a web developer to have a have a better creation of web page. These JavaScript scripting always helps us connect with the backend with like APIs and all those things like asynchronous API and many more things. I think by this time you have the idea of what to be learned, and to show you this is the video which has the JavaScript basics contained or explained in it by programming with Mosh, and name of the author or the video content creator is I think I'll show you it. Play the video and show you the name of the author or the content creator. This is the video, and it is by Mosh Hamedani. It is, the channel name is programwithmosh.com. It has I think it has some 13 million views, so you can have the better experience or better experience learning from this guy. He has explained all the basics of JavaScript very much efficiently, and a beginner can understand easily all these things. And he has explained about arrays, loops, objects, class, all these things, and iterating to the arrays, objects, all those things are explained in the video. And I think now you have the video understanding or basic idea of where to start and what are the basic concept of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to be learned before going to the JavaScript library, JavaScript framework React.js. Thank you. That's all in this video.